Mbiamana sana mwanche mulya betaseni kia Ndizi TV chinga kikwa bere ko gutwara oburigerero byemegeta keiga nebiro binde na nitokomera na SMS amangana maya elinde ngomanye na ya bere kago korekana kora chingongo chensi inye chense chinga kitoro cyo murayubense Dr. William Ruto abakago siore chinyomba bene asense Maria Mavoko ime county ya Machakos asokone kibuna bamenye be county yongo enyole bale chinyomba chiri golirense kegima naboigo abana chebi nemerongebere niko baba guteni gwali tukolya rero asogo chaka bene emirimo yabo naboigo ase University ya Machakos nigo korobekana kwene kiwako tubwatekana no kuburwa ko bulendi mwancho muri nyo sinse mochiche mitandao asense ya Facebook naboko tonya gwetera Ndizi TV News Digital naboiga sense ya YouTube naboko tonya gwetera Ndizi TV News naboiga sense ya website naboko tonya gwetera www.ndizitv.or.ke Editorial Fridah Kerubo na Chinsa mochibioro kerelio nigo tokobwatanere Joshua Auta ngwira nanda sege kegeke elinde ngomanye amange. Mwanchi umariya ingo chaka Amayia kegima yebire bigani ogukomanya buna umurayibense Dr. William Ruto litkolya rero nigo asiolibene umurubire bwokwaga cha chinyomba cheligo lirense kegima asense Maria Mavoko ime county ya Machakos okwana nigo ayenekelya bamenyi be county yobune serikali nigo yimukirige tambukero asoko enikibina kera oyo mongo enyorerale enyomba yeligo lirense kegima robotira senchira yobwenye.
Tutahakikisha kwamba yale mambo yote yanayohitajika ili makao haya yaweze kutoshelesha mahitaji ya watakaonunua manyumba hapa itafuatwa. Tumesema vile vile huyu contractor atafanya kazi na wale mahasla wa jua kali wa hapa. Madirisha, milango, hinges na zile parts zingine zote components ya construction itafanywa na watu wa jua kali na wale wengine wanaoishi sehemu hii.
Ogotia nigwa kwa banachebina emerongebere nigo gwakorekana litkolya rero ase nyomba yobora yenene Gusii State House imeyomochi o Nairobi okwana omuraibense Dr. William Ruto oyoikira na stinsemecho asoko eneki ogotia nioko nigo anyara kobaga kogania abanachebina abo bakore emirimo yabo gwanchereria gotayo
impartial and that you will not be influenced by ethnicity or religion, and that fear and favor and bias and ill will and prejudice will not laze your judgments, that you will always do that which is impartial, and you will not submit or succumb to blackmail, intimidation, or threats from any corner. You have told us that in the exercise of your judicial functions, you will administer, defend, and protect the Constitution of Kenya.
Singa kiechio boigo nigo abagani koroki amaskani gocha seke gembero ase bale emirimo yabo na boigo koligereria emirimo yabo kubwatkaneli chikoria Kenya asoko eneki obwasio kuna boigo obokoleri obia.
In the exercise of your judicial functions, you will also mind about the institution of the judiciary, that it will be at the back of your mind that we have an institution called judiciary, a third arm of government, an institution that has a mandate, and that you will ensure that the judiciary is dignified and is respected, and that you will promote fairness, the independence, the competence, and the integrity of the judiciary. I implore upon you, as you discharge your responsibilities, as you consider all the issues that come before you, always remember that you serve in the judiciary of
Wokeani achisege chegenga nabo igogosemia abantu chinchira cyo gwetangana chisege cyo nigo kogendete gokorekana ase county ya Kisii. Okwana omuwaziri bwobochenule abwari nigo aganirie ebigambiro koeneki ngangwa ngo ibale ebinabunebyo nabo igokoeneki oboene.
Ebinte bigango korekana birase binyoro abagambi babisama nganaya bae gutibeza na bali bakwate bikore ebyo abantu abwe karto babwatere to abayire kotini nande kwanyora basiboyi ose mbago ikubira kotini ese nje babwate beza bono ngotaka gotebya abantu baite omonto kunoyo kanyore kandi dialati mo base gotwara obwaba bali poti onye ne police station iranye bali poti onye no mugambi muri poti nando onye no mugambi nero kwa gutibeza elinde ta poti kesi yidinge kogenda mutu mwali poti muri poti muti nekitali abaninje n'abanyagitali mbara abantu abonzi proje gaiga nyagitali ne bwato nyagitali yo manene na kikyagara na tenali kuri rero bateba ngainjele abuari ogega minister ya health n'abantu baito mbara oro balito kolega siko balenze yane report yororo nande tunyaro ko batogutikuria abantu kunabu esheria mo baise kuobwa anonya nasi Kubatekana no kubura koberendi ase University ya Machakos wananigo aborokiwa kurase University yo baimukige tambukero nabo igokorobekana asoko ene kibuna ngotegerero bali abanyanyimbo nigo bakirana senseme yo nabo igokobatanga nabo igokobaliera eira so guchkweneki oborendi ase amatkabosyo korendo mugavana we county yo nigaikirana senseme yo nagokwana nabarabo asaba ene kelibuna bachkweneki buna aborokigwa ngorendo bali butambe
na patrol wanafaa kuwe kwa civilian watembea usiku angai kila area comrades wa safe. Tumekuja kusoma, hatuwezi shindwa na njaa huku. At the same time ni security pia is another problem. Where are we?
Aba Amerika babere Ibrahim Osman amona biashara Nasir gwetera omuwakiri obo Danstan Omari nigo bakoerera okogosererwa kubugima bwabo ase baganiri oburendi bwekerengo kigoromono gukwana nigo aganirie eserikali kwimukige tambukero nabo igo koganianga obugima bwabo ngorigererwa bole butambe
of criminal investigation to take up the matter. If that director of the EACC has a fake title deed, we have presented our original title deeds. One, if that title deed he has, let him produce it so that it is forensically analyzed who has the proper title deed. Two, we have also requested and asked the Director of Criminal Investigation plus the Inspector General of Police to provide protection for our clans so that they are not eliminated. I raised this question at one time when I was dealing with the Top Cohen matter, and Top Cohen matter next time was found in a septic tank. We hope the Inspector General of Police will take very, very fast action over this matter.
Ekinagyo kwamerelia obubuibo mugavana we county ya Homa Bay Gladys Wanga nigo yategererwa litkoria rero ase county ya Homa Bay ase ikirana bosibwe kegambero nabo igo kwegerera oyo begete ekinekyo bosibwe kegambero no lyo kabeire omugavana we county ya Nairobi Evans Kidero asairete buna nigo obubuibo abetebo gotangaswa nabo igo amachibu gotumekwa atalenge marunge.
The organ of the party national level that has the National Executive Committee. The county party is the county coordinating mechanism. The branches are the constituency party. So we have 290 branches of the party. These 290 branches of the party all report to the National Executive Committee of the party. There was introduced after devolution a county level coordination mechanism, which is the county party, but it only does coordination. It does not, the branches are not obligated to report to the county party.
So there is one ODM party, but with the branches of the county, the wings of the county, and the wings of the sub-county.
Those are the organs of this one ODM party. Your Honor, I'm sorry if I didn't bring it.
You don't have your own party in all the county. Is that correct?
No, Your Honor. I don't have my own party here. It is one ODM party with organs of the county, the branch, and the national. It's one ODM party.
Habara ibo bomobwa azimio la umoja nigo beso kiribene na kumwakira ekoko oyo kuligia ekirugo kyo Senator ime county ya Bungoma wafula wa Munyinyi ase okweneki obobwigo kwana nigo baganira abamenye be county yo weso kia asobunge nabo igo kweneki na bamochole no Senator bwe county yo ase okweneki obokoleri obuya samatukale bosio.
Mimi ni mmoja wapo wa viongozi wa Azimio. Na nimekuja hapa nimwambie watu wa Bungoma, sisi watu wa Kakamega tuna imani na wafula wa Munyinyi. Mimi mwenyewe nimekuwa kwa bunge, nikiwa mbunge wa Butere. Tulikuwa kwa bunge na huyu wa Munyinyi. Najua ile anaweza kufanya, na yeye ndio akona experience ya kutosha ambayo inaweza kufanya hii kazi ya senator.
Hiyo ndio kazi kubwa anaenda kufanya. Na mkiangalia kaunti za Western, ukienda Kakamega kwa Oparanya, watu wa Kakamega wana governor wa Azimio anaitwa Fernandez Baraza. Yule anachunga yeye ni Senator Khalwale wa Kenya Kwanza. Azimio haiwezi jichunga yenyewe, ni Kenya Kwanza inachunga Azimio huko Kakamega. Tuko pamoja.
Habara ikorwa sekiombe giane mabono nigo baganiria bamenye be county ya Garissa kubwatirana nabo igo kwene kingangure ndatore ebitotainaine ani gawene kigwa ase county ya Garissa chinga kichogo simika emite nabo igo kurenda ogonchereria kwelire.
Tunaweza kupanda miti kwa wingi ili tuweze kukabiliana na makali ya tabia nchi ama kwa Kiingereza inaitwa climate change. Hiyo ndio maana tumekuja siku ya leo. Na kati ya hapo pia tumekuja pia kueleza watu kuwa NEMA iko katika kaunti ya Garissa na itashirikiana na idara zote za serikali kupitia uratibu wa county commissioner ili tuhakikishe kuwa zile sheria zote za mazingira zinaweza kutekelezwa na washikadau wote, wakiwa wafanyabiashara, wakiwa wakulima, wakiwa wafugaji na ikiwa kwa wananchi wote, kwa sababu mazingira safi ni jukumu la kila mmoja, na pia kila mtu akona katika katiba yetu, kila mtu akona uhuru kuishi katika mazingira safi na mazingira ambayo hayana tatizo lolote, na kila mtu pia akona jukumu kuhakikisha kuwa akona responsibility ya kuhakikisha kuwa anahifadhi.
Mwanjo Maria kurwa soroboti runi ona ikira mwelio wa mangana maya sebire biga kurindengo kwa sabato basa kuskato basa kanyegera yekoraga enseyemo ayona mange no nyara senchira iyo wikirano nyara sinse machiche mitandao sensemo ya Facebook na bagotonyara witra Ndizi TV News Digital na boiga sensemo ya YouTube na bagotonyara witra Ndizi TV News asensemo ya website na bagotonyara witra www.ndizitv.or.ke mage kamera soko nekibuna ebicha na boigo elio gira gwikira sora senchira ya bene na Abigail Nyanchama tobe tukubwatanere Joshua Auta astinse moche biorkelio na ncheria ne Fridah Kerubo ngo koganilia oboligerelia obia.
Ndizi TV. Ubwansu bw'omu Gusii. M-Star Electric